Good morning, students. The topic which we are going to discuss in today's class is lightning arrestor or lightning conductor. Before getting into the topic, let me clarify an important point about this concept, which is known as action of points or corona discharge. This corona is not a disease. This corona is in our physics subject. Okay, let's listen. Here, this is an irregular shaped conductor. This conductor is having two types of radius. One is smaller curvature, another one is a larger curvature. Smaller curvature is A and the larger curvature is B. Here the charges are distributed in the irregular conductor. For an irregular conductor, the charge density is larger at smaller radius and smaller at larger radius. So the smaller radius have large accumulation of charges. As a result, electric field near the smaller radius is very high and it ionizes the surrounding air. The positive ions are repelled at the sharp edge and negative ions are attracted towards the sharper edge. This reduces the total charge of the conductor near the sharp edge. This is called action of points or corona discharge. Did you understand, guys? Now let's get into the topic. Did you see what is the image here? This is the picture of lightning. This lightning arrestor protects us from the lightning during the rainy days. This device consists of long, thick copper rod passing from top to bottom of the building. The upper end has sharp spikes and the lower end connected to copper plate which is buried into the ground. Now we can see the image of that. See, here we are having a building and that building is connected through copper rod from top to bottom. When a negatively charged cloud is passing over the building, it induces positive charge in the spike. Since the induced charge is larger, it results in corona discharge, which we discussed in the previous section. This positive charge ionizes the surrounding air, which in turn neutralizes the negative charge in the cloud. The negative charge pushed to the spike is safely diverted to the earth. The lightning arrestor does not stop the lightning. Rather, it diverts it into the earth through the copper rod. Now, let's recall what did we studied in this topic. We studied about lightning conductor. And for this topic, the important point is action of points or corona discharge. In this topic, we learned that the smaller radius will accumulate a larger charge, which in turn neutralizes the negative charge. This concept is used in lightning conductor. This lightning conductor consists of a long copper rod from top to bottom which is connected to the earth. This copper rod diverts the lightning into the earth by corona discharge. This is the working of lightning conductor. Okay, students, hope you enjoyed the class and understood the working of lightning conductor. We will discuss another interesting topic in next class. Thank you, students.